today, before we head home, we're exploring one of the coolest museums we have ever visited with kids. And honestly, I think Ben and I had just as much fun as Hudson and Owen. From water play to climbing, building, ball zones, and endless imagination stations, this place was a dream for little kids. Owen? You all done? Welcome back to our channel. This is Moments That Matter with the Purcells. We have been on a spring break weekend trip here in Cincinnati. We have went to the zoo, the aquarium, a Cincinnati Reds game, and we were going to go to the Creation Museum and do the Ark, but change of plans. We are going to go to the Cincinnati Children's Museum. So it's actually the Cincinnati Museum. They've got tons of stuff, but one of the sections of it is a children's museum. So we're going to take the boys to do that today, and we're going to bring you along with us. Hudson's ready. And Owen is sleeping. We wore him out yesterday. And here is the museum. It's such a neat building. The Cincinnati Museum Center is honestly incredible before you even walk inside. The building itself is full of history and architecture that makes you feel like you've stepped back in time. It's beautiful, massive, and such a fun experience for families before you even get to the exhibits. Hudson! What do you think of this place? So cool. Look up. It just keeps going. Two seconds. He's just snoozing away. And then we made it to the Children's Museum, and wow, this place is basically a kid's dream come true. There are hands-on activities everywhere, so many themed areas to explore, and honestly, the boys could have stayed here all day long. Just climb through the woods. The woods area was such a fun mix of imagination and adventure. Hudson loved climbing, exploring, and getting to experience a little outdoor style play indoors. Okay. The waterworks may have been one of their favorite parts. Between the boats, splashing stations, and moving water through all different activities, they were completely entertained. Oh, keep going, keep going. Your arms are tired. Somebody woke up and was really excited. caught a fish. You caught a fish.
I got a fat one.
Yeah, I see it.
I got fish.
You caught a fish. Yay! Good job. The little farmer's market area was so cute. The boys loved pretending to shop, cook, and work together. I always love seeing their imaginations come to life in places like this. Hey, Owen. Yeah, you're a little bit big. You're coming. Oh, kind of stopped there at the end, huh? The giant ball area was such a hit. Watching all the balls fly around through the tubes, drop from the ceiling, and move through the different machines was so much fun. The boys were completely fascinated, and quite honestly, so were we. Drop them in. Drop them. Obviously, one of the things that we loved the most was that this museum had so many imaginative play spaces. We definitely didn't even get to all of them, but every area encouraged kids to create, pretend, and explore in their own way. You driving? Hudson, your piece of food stuck between teeth. We definitely need to come back when we have more time because there was still so much that we didn't get to see, but the boys had an absolute blast. And this ended up being one of our favorite stops from the trip for sure. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you stay tuned for the next episode because I'm doing something totally different, a 24-hour mom's trip with no kids. So if you enjoyed today's adventure, don't forget to like and subscribe and come back for the next one. Until then, remember to slow down and cherish the moments that matter most.